Will you give me just a minute to share a few important marketing facts concerning communicating to individuals who are injured and looking for an attorney? There is a mental process each visitor to your website goes through prior to making a decision to raise their hand and ask you to represent them. Success is found in building trust with your client, understanding their needs, providing help, and taking them to the next step. Learn to effectively communicate these 4 points and your firm will grow faster than you can imagine. All right, so the first step in the process is to build trust. Visitors to your website are not interested in your firm's size, the amount of money you've helped recover, your degrees and awards, or photos of you and your team. That's an unsuccessful marketing tactic that 99% of all personal injury attorneys use in their attempts to attract clients. Simply put, the injured person is thinking solely about themselves and looking for someone who can identify with their physical pain and mental confusion about the whole process. Start your presentation by telling them you know they are in pain and confused about what to do, and go on to tell them how to protect themselves in the process. The next step is to define their needs and explain the what and the why of the legal process they will confront. Discuss how initially the insurance company will investigate the accident and how that investigation concentrates on finding reasons to disqualify them or how to cut corners in their recovery. Your approach is not to accuse, but rather to point out that although the insurance company is legally responsible for helping them restore their health, they have been found guilty in the past of using tactics which, although not illegal, are questionable at best. You should end by telling them that no matter how nice and agreeable the insurance representatives seem, they are not your friends. Their salary, upward mobility, and employment ratings are based on saving money for their companies. Being friendly and concerned is effective in causing an injured person to let down their guard, and the insurance companies use that tactic before all others. The third step in the process is offering help. This is not done by describing your qualifications, but by developing the teamwork concept that puts into plain English how, as a team, your firm will handle all the legalese, requests for information, initial settlement offers, and any pressure applied by the insurance company. The client is left with only one responsibility, and that is focusing on their recovery. The fourth and final step is a call to action, or CTA. If you've effectively covered the first 3 steps, the client will be in a position of wondering, what should I do next? You must tell them. If you leave it to the individual to figure out what's next and why it benefits them to take that step, you will lose them. Many firms spend thousands on their website, do informative blogs and videos, and at the end they fade to black without telling the interested person what to do next. This one slight omission costs firms thousands of dollars every year. The explainer videos below fulfill all of the steps above and are much more effective than a text presentation or a video made by an attorney. The reason is simple. People relate to a story, and even though the subject is not a real person, they are found to be trustworthy. As you watch the videos, consider how the characters explain the process of needing an attorney. Studies confirm that people will spend an extra 2 minutes or more on a website that has an explainer video rather than a blog or live video. Below you have 2 explainer videos. One is relatively basic, using 3D schematic people. The other is advanced and shares a more personal look at both the injured party and your firm. 2 more things before you leave to see the videos below. One is our risk-free guarantee, which states, at the end of 4 days you are not satisfied with our work, we will return your deposit and not bill you for any of our efforts. You will see more details about this guarantee below. And until April 2nd, 2015, our advanced explainer video, which retails for $795, is on sale for $555. That's a 30% discount. What is your next step? Watch the videos. If you are interested in one of them, click on the Contact Us button below that video. Fill in your name, email address, and telephone number so we can contact you to learn about your firm and answer any questions or requests you might have. The steps we follow in developing your explainer video can be found below our Contact Us buttons and include our guarantee. Thanks for spending a few minutes to share some thoughts that will lead to an increase in your web traffic, but more importantly, a much higher percentage of conversions, which means you help more injured and frightened people get through the minefield of restoring their health, and you're rewarded with an increased income that allows you to grow your firm. It all goes into motion when you click the Contact Us button below. Thank you for listening. I'm Marlene Sparrow, co-founder of M&M Business Consulting. We hope to talk with you soon and help you increase both your client base and your cash flow, and lower your overhead. I'll see you on the other side, and goodbye for now.